Hello friends, this is my new acrylic painting set. I ordered it online. It has 36 color. All the colors are very cute. They look good on me. They are very colorful. So for the painting I am going to do today I need this color. Want yellow green, raw umber and burnt sienna and gray mid and Panish gray. So let's start it. I have taken a canvas panel. I have already made a sketch in it. So today I am making a forest painting. Wash all brushes thoroughly in water. The color we selected for painting will now to be taken out little by little in the palette. Will mix well to create the first layer of trees. We'll use a slightly lighter shade on the color we selected earlier. Wash the brush. Now we will add a little water to the gray mid color and apply it on top of the tree so that it looks distant. We will apply the same gray color on this side as well. Now we will make the nearby trees, and for that we will use the same thing that we had to choose 3-4 shades brown color. Now the same brown color will be used on the bottom surface as well. Now add brown color to the remaining trees. All trees are different colors and all have different shades. Now all the trees will be given a yellow shade so that it is highlighted. We will also paint the road in the middle of the trees. Now we will make some trees branches. Now we will make the leaves of the trees. And make all the trees a bit of corner. Black will do. Adding light green color to the front leaves will enhance them. The leaves of distant trees will turn dark green in color. Now the forest painting is ready. So please let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share.